Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and here we have to make sure that we are on the photo mode. So make sure that the photo is right in the middle, and here we have to take a look at this option bar on the right side next to the shutter button. And as you can see on the third position, this is the option which is right now highlighted because I've got like 2 seconds delay option applied. But it should be, the timer should be on the third position. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got 2 seconds delay, 5 and 10 seconds delay, and of course the timer off option. So all we have to do in order to set the timer is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and I will pick 5 seconds for example, and as you can see the icon immediately changes. So let's right now tap on the shutter button, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 5, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course it will work the same with the 10 seconds and 2 seconds delay, simply the time which your device will count is different of course. If you'd like to turn off the timer, just tap on this icon at the very top, and as you can see this option is not highlighted, so it means that it has been turned off, and after tapping on the shutter button your device will take photos right after tapping on it. So basically it won't count down. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.